Buy the dip. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Today we're going to be talking about the market, where it's heading to, and kind of like our perspective in what we do when the market's super red, like how it has been the last couple of days, okay? We do know, and I'm going to make this video real quick, I'm going to give you a little bit of advice of what we do. So anytime, I like to compare this dip to basically like, kind of like when you go shopping, okay? When you go shopping and say, for example, you're interested in buying some clothes, buying a pair of pants or whatever it might be, a pair of shoes, and you see those shoes and you say, man, those shoes are really nice. Well, how much are they? So basically you get the price, it's 300 bucks. You say, damn, it's a little bit pricey. You know what? I'll get them next time. And then you come back and you come back the next week and then you see the same pair of shoes, guys. And you see those same pair of shoes, but now they're discounted 50% off. I want to ask you guys a question. What do you guys do when you see the same pair of shoes that are 50% off? Well, you most likely will probably buy the shoes, right? So is that a bad thing that they're 50% off, or is it a good thing? You know, I talk to a lot of people and I tell them, did you buy anything today? And they said, no, the market was kind of red. Especially when you're beginning, you're like, wow, is it going to go lower? How much more lower can it go? Or, you know, where is it going to end? Now, we don't have the answer to that. But we do have, you know, what I can say is that if you were buying a share of stock, for example, Palantir, right? That went from 45 all the way down to 24, 25 bucks. And if you were buying that share of stock at 30, you're buying it at 30, why wouldn't you buy more of it at 25? Okay, guys? So I really want you guys to consider when you guys are gonna purchase stock, don't get scared of it when it goes down. Okay? Do the opposite. Be happy for it and welcome, you know, the opportunity to buy that same stock at a super discount, okay? And something that I like to do, and I'll give you a simple example where I think it can help you moving forward, is what I do sometimes is, say for example, I'm going to give you a simple example. If I had $3,000 and I'm saying, you know what, today I'm going to buy a Palantir, right? Well, I could break up those $3,000 into three. And what I'll do is, for example, when it hits a certain price where it attracts me to buy the stock, then I could spend $1,000 there. Boom. You get your first whatever shares of stock. And then it goes down some more. You wait a little bit, and you know, middle of the day it goes down some more, and you know, it went down two extra bucks. Then you can go ahead and use your second $1,000. And then the next day, you'll wait for the next day to see what happens in the market, and it went down another dollar, and then you'll use your next $1,000. And that way you'll break up and you won't be stuck where you bought it at 28 and now it's 25, but you have no more money to buy that. So think of buying stocks as going shopping, okay? When you go shopping, you just don't rush in there and say, well, you know what, I went to the first store and I just bought this and I bought that and I bought this. No, you want to compare prices. You want to go to a different store. Maybe the different store has the same pair of pants, 20% off. And that's what happens with stocks. So if you think about it that way and you welcome the idea of actually taking advantage in situations like this, which is the dip, then your portfolio will recognize that in the long term and show you the benefits in the long term as well. Okay? So remember, guys, this is an investment. This is not just something you're going to buy and get rid of it tomorrow. No. If you get the opportunity to buy a share of stock, or stock in this case, at a discounted rate, that only benefits you more, because that means you're going to have a bigger profit in the long run. So guys, with that, I just wanted to give you my 2 cents, in my opinion, of what I do in these type of situations, because I see a lot of people, you know, not doing much sometimes, or, you know, I keep saying buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Some people listen and some people don't. I want you guys to be the people that listen and take advantage of those situations. It's not financial advice, like I always say on this channel, but it's just my opinion. That's what I do, and I just want to pass that on to you guys. Hopefully this video was of some benefit to you guys. If it was, please like and subscribe. Please also ring that notification bell and follow us at InvestingOG on Twitter. Okay, thank you guys, and with that, I'll see you on the next one.